And it is built. We finally did it. So I finished building it last night. A bit of a different location today in the boot of the car because we've just arrived at UK RC Truckers National Gathering. So I just wanted to show you the finished rig before we go inside. If you haven't seen part 1 and part 2 yet, basically decided to build a Tamiya Grand Hauler for the UK RC Truckers National Gathering. Never built one before and literally gave myself a week to build it. So it's been a bit hectic. But yeah, we literally finished it last night, getting all the last bits and pieces on. I am super happy with how it looks. I'm really happy I went with the Grand Hauler. I'm loving that chrome visor, the stacks, that front bumper and the grille, and I'm really happy with how the colour came out, to be fair. I think with the stickers and the chrome, you know, it really breaks it up. I'm super happy with how it looks. I absolutely love it. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. I decided to swap out the driver and said I wasn't happy with the paint on the Tamiya driver, so I've put a figure in there which is Carol from The Walking Dead. I ran out of time to do any lights on the inside, so there's no lights on the interior, unfortunately. So that's a job that I still need to do. We have got the flashing lights on the top, and I'll start it up in a second, but it's running a Hobbywing Fusion SE, and then we've got the ESS sound module in there. It is super loud inside the hall where all the RC trucks are, so let me just fire it up out here so you can hear what it sounds like if you haven't seen part 2. It is so cool. I'm ready for the horn. And before I forget, while we're not in my house, so it's not really loud, I've propped the rear axle up just so we can try and hear that turbo noise. It's a bit hard to hear, it's, you know, could be better, but yeah, here you go, you can have a listen. So you ready? We've got to go like full throttle and then come off. You can hardly hear it, to be fair, but you know, it is there. But it'd be nice if it was much more sensitive. Like I said, you could just come off the throttle and it'd be a bit louder and you get a bit more of the. So yeah, but there you go. So that's what it sounds like. So anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. Like I said, I'm super happy that I managed to get it finished in time, and I'm really happy with how it looks. I can't wait to go and run it in the hall. You know, it's my first time running a truck at an RC event as well. So yeah, I'm just super excited. So let's go check out the event and let's run this thing. Sunday night, I'm back home. I had an awesome time at the event and the truck was absolutely flawless. I'm really glad that I built the rig and took it to the event because yeah, it was a different experience actually running my own truck at the event instead of just, seeing other people's and videoing other people's. The truck did pick up a few battle scars, so let's take a closer look and then I'll just give you an overview of what I thought of the whole build. So nothing major, just some scuffs on the chrome there on the front bumper on this side. And then the same just on this side of the bumper as well, all just when I was basically running it around the course in the event, just places where it was just rubbing up against things as it was trying to like maneuver and turn and stuff like that. Got a few little scratches on the arches and stuff, again, nothing major. Other than those couple of little scuffs, it was absolutely awesome. I mean, no issues with running it. The brushless system did really well. The ESS sound system was really, really good as well. And it was loud in that hall, so I literally had to crank it right up to be able to hear it because, yeah, there's a lot of noise in the hall with all the different rigs. I am really happy I built it and I'm really happy I got the chance to run it at the event. It's a fantastic event. If you're considering going, I would definitely recommend it. I would definitely recommend going on the Saturday because the Saturday you get to do the night run as well. And the night run was absolutely awesome. I didn't really get any footage of the night run because it was just too dark for my camera, but with all the lights on the rigs and everything, it was just phenomenal. The next event will be July next year. Check out their webpage, UK RC Truckers National Gathering, if you do want to consider. I think the booking is open now. You can actually book your spot already. Also, I would say, if you're considering getting a Tamiya truck after watching my build series and you're not quite sure, I would definitely get one. I mean, granted, I'm not going to run it as much as I would a crawler because there's not going to be as many opportunities, but I mean, it just looks fantastic. I really enjoyed building it. It was quite an experience. I wouldn't say it's a hard build. It's just a very time-consuming build. So, you just need to bear in mind that it is going to take you a bit of time. Obviously, I managed to whack it out in a week, so, it's not that hard. But yeah, I'm super happy I bought it, and I'm super happy I built it because it just looks absolutely awesome, and I love it. And I can't wait to run it again the next event. I might see if I can go to some local groups and stuff like that. And obviously, I still need to sort a trailer out. I will do some more updates on it at the channel as well because I want to get some LED lights in the interior. I need to get the LED lights working at the top as well. I want to get some more LED lights behind the grille maybe, and yeah, just, I want to make it look even cooler than it already is at the moment, and I think you can't go wrong with a load of lights. It's like my crawlers for accessories. You can never have enough, can you, to be honest? A massive shout out to everybody that came to talk to me at the event and compliment me on my truck. I really appreciate it. And for those people that I was chatting to at the event where you've been following the build, I hope you really enjoyed seeing the truck in person. I will be putting together my running footage, so I will be dropping one of the truck event videos on the channel soon as well. So if you do like trucks and you're interested in that, then be sure to check that out on the channel when it drops. I hope you enjoyed watching this build series as much as I did building it and then running it at the event. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like, drop me a comment if you've got any questions. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.